Hey there! Buying your first home is such an exciting milestone, but it can also be filled with pitfalls if you're not careful. Today, I'm breaking down the top mistakes first-time homebuyers make and how you can avoid them. First up, underestimating costs. It's not just the purchase price you need to consider. Think about closing costs like loan origination fees, title insurance, and appraisal fees. Property taxes and homeowners insurance can also add up. And don't forget about ongoing maintenance and unexpected repairs. Always set aside funds for those. Another big mistake? Skipping inspections. Always invest in thorough home inspections, pest inspections, and even radon inspections. These can uncover hidden issues like structural problems or harmful gases. Even new constructions can have surprises, so don't skip this step. Now let's talk about falling in love with the wrong house. It's easy to get swept away by a home's appearance, but look beyond the cosmetics. Don't overlook potential issues like outdated wiring or a leaky roof. Research the neighborhood, schools, and community amenities to ensure it fits your lifestyle. One crucial step many first-time buyers miss is getting pre-approved for a mortgage. Without pre-approval, you might fall in love with a home you can't afford. It also wastes time and complicates the buying process. Knowing your budget helps you focus on homes within your price range. Lastly, make sure you have an emergency fund. Homes often require unexpected repairs, and having a financial cushion can save you a lot of stress. Be prepared for interest rate hikes if you have an adjustable rate mortgage and avoid overstretching your finances. So, to sum up, consider all costs, don't skip inspections, look beyond appearances, get pre-approved, and have an emergency fund. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll be well on your way to a successful home buying experience. Thanks for watching! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Happy house hunting!